Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable driver status monitor on your XPeng vehicle. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into the vehicle settings. From here, we want to go to the driver assistance, and in the driver assistance, what are we going to do is we're going to scroll down until we see other assistances almost at the bottom, and here we want to tap on the driver status monitor. Now, as you guys can see, if we disable the feature, then driver status will not be monitored and there might be some safety issues. And that's why I always keep this on. This is very important. And here you guys can enable it, and now it's all good. So here you also get the video on how it works. As you guys can see, the driver status monitor, and when something's wrong, it will detect us, it will warn us. But if not, then it will basically work just fine. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.